Hello everyone and welcome back to Chef Savindu. Today we're making delicious restaurant-style crispy chicken tacos with juicy crispy chicken, fresh vegetables, creamy taco sauce, melted mozzarella cheese, and a crispy taco shell. This recipe is simple to make at home and perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a quick snack. So, let's get started. First, cut the chicken breast into small bite-sized pieces. Fresh chicken breast is the perfect choice because it's tender, juicy, and cooks evenly. Cutting it into bite-sized pieces not only makes the tacos easier to eat, but also allows every piece to absorb the seasoning and develop maximum flavor. Then season it with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, black pepper, and salt. Mix everything well so every piece of chicken is evenly coated with the seasoning. Let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes to develop even more flavor. After the chicken has finished marinating, dip each piece into ice-cold water for just a few seconds. This simple step helps the coating stick better and creates an extra crispy texture after frying. For this recipe, I'm using my special crispy coating flour. I already have a detailed video showing exactly how to prepare the coating flour and make my restaurant-style Zinger chicken. If you'd like to learn that recipe, you'll find the link in the description below and in the video card. Be sure to check it out before trying this recipe. Now, coat the seasoned chicken with the crispy flour mixture and fry it until it's beautifully golden brown, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. For an even crispier coating, always keep your dry coating mixture loose and avoid pressing it too hard. A rough coating creates extra crunchy bites after frying. Here's a quick chef's tip. Always make sure the oil is hot before adding the chicken. If the oil is too cool, the coating will absorb excess oil and become greasy instead of crispy. Maintaining the right frying temperature is one of the biggest secrets to achieving restaurant-quality fried chicken every single time. Once it's fully cooked, remove it from the oil and let it rest for a minute before cutting it into small pieces. Next, let's prepare our creamy taco sauce. In a bowl, combine mayonnaise, sour cream, sriracha, garlic powder, paprika, fresh lime juice, and a little black pepper. Mix everything together until the sauce is smooth, creamy, and full of flavor. Now it's time to assemble our tacos. Start with a crispy taco shell. Then add a layer of fresh lettuce. Add the crispy chicken pieces. Followed by the creamy taco sauce. Next, add diced tomatoes and finely chopped red onions. To finish, generously sprinkle mozzarella cheese over the top and add a pinch of chili flakes for a little extra color and heat, or until the mozzarella cheese has completely melted. This gives the tacos an extra cheesy finish while keeping the chicken crispy and delicious. And that's it. Our restaurant-style crispy chicken tacos are ready to serve. Every bite is packed with crispy chicken, fresh vegetables, creamy sauce, gooey melted mozzarella, and a satisfying crunch from the taco shell. And if you'd like to see more restaurant-style recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to the Chef Savindu YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe.